Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Isn't it a pleasure? It's Thursday, 5 p.m. We enjoyed 22 degrees and are standing in the sun. Happy days. I'm showing you today a property on Garden 11 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are viewing today a ground floor apartment on Garden 11. And I'm just showing you here again the pool. Here you see by coincidence our listing agent Anna. Happy days. Hello. So, and now finally let's start and view this property. I'm just standing in front of it. I'm just turning around and may show you now the apartment 1189 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort on Garden 11. This is a south-facing apartment and we're just walking here into the main terrace, where my team has set up a nice dining table already. Doesn't this look great today? We are still standing in the sun here. Unfortunately, I can't show you the sun because otherwise our system goes berserk. There we go, a little bit of sunshine. We are on Garden 11 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, presented to you in a virtual open house by qualityhomescostacalida.com. And I'm just standing here on the terrace of this beautiful 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in Alhama de Murcia in the lovely region of Murcia on the Costa Calida, the warm coast. This is now the main terrace. As I said, we've set up here a nice dining table. This would be then the terrace and the garden and lawn area, all properly with hedges, so also to keep your privacy. Having shown you now the main terrace, I just proceed and walk into this great 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. I'm using the main door today. There are lots of extra features which I will show you then in the second round. We are just here now in the living room, which includes as well the kitchen area. Comes fully fitted as we see on our little video. The only thing is that the outside furnishing might be negotiated. I'll just show you now the kitchen, fully equipped with all white goods, fridge freezer, dishwasher, oven hob extractor fan, and all other mod cons like kettle, microwave. This is now the kitchen, and we just proceed to the master bedroom. As you can see, the property is well fitted with television as well in the living room as in the bedroom, in the master bedroom, which we are just seeing here. There we go. Adjacent to the master bedroom, we find the back terrace, and just let me open here this comfortable sliding door to show you the back terrace, which is also facing the community car park. The property comes with a marked car park, and the couldn't be better. We are 1189, and the car park is just over here at 1189, very close. It's all in walking distance here. So actually you see the occupancy is pretty low at the moment. We are in COVID times, so there are not many people over at the moment, but we hope soon that this situation will change again. On the back terrace we find as well the air conditioning units, as the master bedroom and the living room enjoy their own air conditioning, hot and cold Panasonic, as well as the housing for the washing machine, which is very handy, placed here in the back of the back terrace, which makes it easy also doing these jobs. There we go. This is the back terrace. Just let me walk around here and back into the master bedroom. As we said, master bedroom is fitted with air conditioning, hot and cold Panasonic brand, inverter technology, and all what we see is what we get. This is the master bedroom, fitted with television as well. By the way, on site we enjoy over 300 international television channels, which are free to use and part of the community fees. The community fees are those fees which we have to pay every month to the community to keep up the good work and to keep the resort in pristine condition. This property is costing about €100 per month on community fees and include as well a 100 megabit down and upload line for internet, as well as the TV channels and all other services provided by the community of owners, amongst them the security for the resort, which is 24/7 with access control, as well as all services provided like gardening, pool cleaning, street lighting, and other jobs done by the community. All three of the bedrooms have fitted wardrobes, and let me show you how they look on the inside. In this property we also have a chest of drawer. Looks pretty good, I think, and pretty complete. In case you have any question, or in case you want me to view a specific item again, don't hesitate, just drop us a note at the bottom of the screen and we will answer in due course. Let me show you now the bathroom. The bathroom is as well equipped with a glass shower screen, bathtub, and all other mod-cons necessary for a bathroom, as well as an extractor fan, which we normally, during the viewing, we will not start, just for you to see now there's additional lighting and an additional extractor. It's making a little bit of noise and it might distract the audio, so I might turn it off again. Excuse me. Going back to the main living room, where we find as well the third bedroom, which I will show you now. Here we go. This is now the third bedroom of this beautiful 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. On our dedicated webpage, Quality Homes Costa Calida, you will find this and many other interesting properties under the reference 3209. The asking price has just been recently heftily reduced and is now on 79,900. And as we said, all what we see inside the property comes included in the asking price, except the outside furnishing. This needs to be negotiated with the seller. We are in the living room now of this wonderful 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And just let me walk out again on the terrace to show you. We have set up here kind of a dining table area, which is ideal for al fresco dining, I would say, but also for a beautiful breakfast or lunch. And the sun has just come out again. This will cause now again quite a hiccup with my camera. Happy days, it's working. There we go. And just to show you the dimension of this terrace, this is big enough to swing a tiger. Maybe not for the elephant, but for the tiger it's okay. As well, the property is equipped with an awning which covers all of the surface of the terrace, and as well another awning which provides additional shade, because especially in summer we all know the sun can be quite hot and intense, and sometimes we're all looking for a little bit of shade maybe as well. Position-wise, we are ideally located just in front of the community pool, so ideal also for your kids, your friends, your family to enjoy a decent stay on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Beautiful. That's just the pool. Water temperature is actually 21 degrees. Outside we have today 22. Humidity is pretty low at the moment, so it's quite comfortable on site. There we go. Here we go. It's apartment 1189 on Garden 11 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. You will find all details of this property on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, and its reference 3209. The price has just been reduced to 79,900, and we think it's a great offer being. There we go. As we can see, the owners as well have closed in the space underneath the staircase, which leads up to the first floor 2-bedroom apartments, and has put in an additional storage, which is quite handy for all items you will need during your stay, or with some items you might leave behind in case you think of renting out the apartment. This is the ideal location to store also your private belongings. Again on the terrace. There we go. It's an ideal position, I think, because it's pretty close to the pool. Again, the awning which covers all of the terrace here. Hope you can see that. The sun is a little bit disturbing our image at the moment, but I think this is okay. And just let me walk back into this beautiful 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. On our dedicated webpage, you will find it under the reference 3209. Comes as seen with all the furniture and fixtures and fittings included, except the outside furniture, which needs to be negotiated. An ideal holiday home, equipped to start your adventure in Spain immediately. All what we see is what we get. We have 3 bedrooms, sleeps 6. Here we have a single bed with another trundle bed below, so this means as well sleeps 2. And we have the master bedroom, which obviously sleeps 2 as it's a double king size. Bedrooms and living room are fitted with air conditioning. This is now the 2nd bedroom. And as well, all bedrooms are fitted with wardrobes. As we can see here, I just opened one before, which comes as well with a chest of drawers, a railing, and the top storage. As you can see, many people use the top shelves also to store the cushions for outside furnishing and all that. So it's quite handy to have this space available. Also, this room enjoys air conditioning, hot and cold. The bathroom is conveniently equipped with glass shower screen, as well as all other mod cons necessary for a bathroom nowadays. Property comes fully fitted. And just let me show you again the back terrace. Here we go. Set up a nice morning coffee table. Obviously it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, but still to give you an impression how this looks like. Adjacent to that we find the community car park, and the parking space belonging to this property is just about 5 meters from here. As you can see, 1189 over there. There we go. Beautiful day today. Walking back into the master bedroom. Here we go. This is now the master bedroom of this perfectly appointed 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Where are we based? Well, we are based in the region of Murcia. We are some 20 minutes from the next beach, which would be Bolnuevo in Mazaron Port. We are about 35 minutes away from Corbera International Airport, which soon will open as soon as the COVID crisis is gone, as well as 1 hour drive to Alicante International Airport. So we are pretty well connected to the world in an hour's drive. Just show you again the living room here. It's quite spacious and ample. As well here we do see the air conditioning. It's a very clean and very nice, bright place. Walking out on the main terrace again. And the sun, the last sunshine for today, I think, just coming over here. So it's 5 o'clock now, 5:15, and we're still in the sun. So I think it could be worse. And position-wise, as we said before, we are very close to the community pool, which is just in front of the property. The entrance is just at the end of this fence over there. There we go. Just let me show you the palm trees here and the community pool. Wow. I hope this gives you an impression about how is life on Condado de Alhama, because this is what we see every day and what we enjoy as well every day. I'm on site now over 10 years, but I have to confess I still enjoy it. I still love it. Beautiful. All what we see is kept by our community gardeners who are working nearly 24/7, 365 days a year to make sure that our resort is always in pristine condition. And as you can see, they're really doing a fantastic job. There are many things which have been improved in this property. Just to mention in a little detail, they've just put in this new metal gate, which also has a lock to make sure that your property is sound and safe. By the way, our 24/7 security team is always on guard, and they always take care that there are no major incidents on site. They're doing this very silently, but pretty effective. So I think we can be pretty proud of our community security and of all the presidents and administrators who are taking care of us on a daily basis. Each garden on site has its own president, and the owners are meeting once a year to make the important decisions or necessary decisions about each individual garden. Each president then reports to another level of presidents, and this is then headed by the super president, to call him like that, who is taking care also of many administrative issues. By the way, none of them is getting any money for that, and they're all doing it, well, for nothing, I would say. And it's really impressive and impressing what these people do on a daily basis to keep the resort as it is, together with our administrators and the maintenance and gardening and security and other teams working on site on a daily basis. We have just seen an upgrade on our internet connection, as you maybe know from already other virtual tours. We have now a glass fiber network which provides 100 megabit up and download line to each property. So each property has its own router, has its own Wi-Fi signal, and is providing a 100 megabit down and upload line. This is more than sufficient to stream, to work, to upload, to download, whatever you want to do. Internet-wise, we don't have any issues, which also means that you can work from home in Spain. Wherever you're working, you can do it as well from here. We have seen in the last 6 months quite an increase on people renting and buying, in hindsight of living here and working here as well, on a home office basis or whatever they can do through the internet. With the new internet connection, I think this is really an improvement and helps many people to stay in touch. This lamp we see up here is normally not moving. It was just me that I again hit it with my head, but this is something that happens to me frequently due to my height. There we go. Don't you laugh, Anna. I still have the scars on my head from yesterday's viewing. So. Here you can see a listing agent laughing about the broker. There we go. It just happens. It just happens. I won't show my scars now because it doesn't look nice, but it happens.
That's what happens
yes.
when you're 2 meters tall.
That happens exactly. That's happened when you're too tall. No? That's what I would say as well.
I don't have that issue. I'm a nice Spanish size. I fit under Spanish lamps easily. No problem at all there.
Strange. I think there was not enough color cow, no, for you, or something like that.
Yeah,
that's how the Spanish grow, no?
Some gene went missing there, I think.
Yeah. I don't know where you can complain about it. Sorry for that. Yeah.
Oh.
So, yes, as I said.
Such a nice and relaxing afternoon here. It's incredible. It's so nice and calm and peaceful and wow.
That's definitely true.
Wow, really a place to holiday, really. This is really a place to wind down and relax.
We shouldn't say a place in the sun because that's a trademark, no? So we are not allowed to use a place in the sun, but this would be an ideal place in the sun.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So I hope that the Channel 4 team is now not after me, and so I'm using their expression, but it should be okay, no? Okay, so seen this one, which is reference 3209 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking prices only 79,900.
Reduced from 85,000.
Reduced from 85,000. This was a detail I was missing, so happy days. Well, then, question is, next week you will see something totally different. Next week we try something with a different internet connection, and you will see some special bargains maybe, which make it worthwhile in case you want to start newly with your new property, never lived in, so everything needs to be done in there. Then tune in again next Thursday, 5 o'clock. That's Central European time, 4 o'clock in the Canaries and in the UK. In the meantime, I hope you stay safe. I hope you take care of yourself. And God bless. I'm looking forward to see you next week again, 5 p.m. Thursday, to see something totally special which we have not seen before. Enjoy your day and stay safe. Goodbye.